Jurors in the Isaiah Hagan murder trial spent much of the afternoon waiting as prosecutors and the defense debated over whether a certain witness could take the stand. Well, Eyewitness News' Sam Neff has been following this trial all week. He joins us now from the Warwick County Courthouse. Sam?
Well, Shelley, a court just let out for the day around 10 minutes ago, so we had kind of an early dismissal today. We also had a late start. We actually didn't hear from the judge or the attorneys till around noon today, which is about 3.5 hours past the normal start time that we've been having for this trial. And that's because both sides spent the morning reviewing case law. The state had intended to call a witness to the stand today, but we did not see Jordan Hughes. Her lawyer informed the state that she would plead the fifth should she take the stand, so they decided not to call her. The defense, however, wanted to reserve the right to call Hughes even if she did plead the fifth. There was an argument as to whether the defense should have the right to do that, with both sides citing several cases. Ultimately, the judge sided with the defense on that matter, so we may indeed see Jordan Hughes later in this trial. She was a friend of Haley Rathgaber's, and earlier in the trial, another friend testified that Rathgaber told her she was going to retrieve her wallet from Hughes and Thaddeus Rice the night before Rathgaber was found dead. And after all of this, Shelley, we broke for lunch and end up not seeing the jury till about 2 o'clock today.
Well, Sam, after all this, did we ever hear from any witnesses today?
We did very briefly hear from one witness, FBI Special Agent Kevin Hagan. Did testify very briefly, but there was another argument as to whether his testimony should be admissible. He actually tracked some cell phone data from both Rathgaber and Hagan the night before she was found, but it was that argument as to whether that testimony should be used in court, which ultimately led to court being let out early today. Tensions are getting very high in this already high-tension court case. Shelley?
Absolutely. All right. Thank you, Sam, for that report. Oh,